Hello, Vlad here from Model Theme. Since the world of blockchain and NFTs is ever expanding, we've developed a plugin to help our users and the owners of WalletConnect accounts use them to log in and add expanded functionality to their website. So let's just dive into it. We'll open our WordPress installation dashboard and look for the Plugins tab in the left sidebar. Click on it and select Add New. At the top of the page, we have the Upload Plugins button, which we click, and then we click on the Choose File button. Then we browse to where we have downloaded the plugin package from ThemeForest, select the plugin and click Open, followed by the Install Now button. Once the plugin installed successfully prompt appears, we click on the Activate Plugin button. After we do this, we scroll down the list of plugins and verify that the plugin is active. Having confirmed this, we scroll down to the Empty Plugins tab in the left sidebar and click on the WalletConnect authentication. As you see, if you do not have an Enefti Marketplace Core add-on installed, you have to provide the Infura ID. To get the ID, we head over to Infura's website, infura.io, and log in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up and confirm your email address and you're good to go. Once we're in the Infura dashboard, we head over to the top right of the page and click the Create New Key button. We select the Web3 API, and in the name field, we add a name that is descriptive so that we will know later on what the intended use was. We grab the API key and paste it in the Infura ID field in our configuration form, and then click on the Save Changes button. Once all the settings are saved, we can now log out of our WordPress installation to see if it works. This is one of the places where we can find the WalletConnect Authenticator at work, but we're not really interested in seeing how we, as admins, can log in using WalletConnect, but rather how a regular user would. So we go to the main page of our website. We click on the Sign In button, and we're presented with the user login screen where we find, yet again, the WalletConnect authentication button. A wonderful QR code appears. You can authenticate using the phone app and the QR code, using an authentication app when you have to paste the text behind the QR, or you can use one of the apps in the list under the desktop tab. We will be using the QR code as it's the most common and easy way. To do that, we will use the Trust Wallet app, going into the settings page and clicking on the scanned QR code or the WalletConnect option. I'll use the Wallet Connection one. Click on the New Connection button and point the phone's camera at the QR code. We'll get this screen showing us the connection details and permissions, and we click Connect. We'll get a signature request and we'll have to input the password. The Screen Grab app knows not to show this. And now we get an error message stating that an account with the address could not be found and that a new account will be created. A new signature request will appear confirming the account creation, which we sign, inputting the password again. We get the message telling us that the account has been successfully created and the page will reload and I will be logged in with my WalletConnect account. So here it is. You now have a fully functional WalletConnect authentication enabled website that is ready to receive its visitors in a safe and secure environment. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section, and also give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!